What's up, everybody? Today we're installing this Z-Speed aluminum undertray underneath the engine of this 2010 Infiniti G37 XS. Step number one, remove the plastic undertray. Now for that I'm going to use my impact wrench with a 10mm socket, and I'm just going to go to town.
Use too much power.
Looks like somebody already cut a hole in mine when the previous owner had it to do oil changes. The old and the new. Let's get the new one in. So it already comes with stuff. Okay, so this thing comes with these rivet bolt things that you're supposed to drill and put in, I don't know, here? No, you're supposed to put it in here, but this car already comes with, except for the one in the middle there. It comes with two, so I'm just going to reuse those areas. So I'm going to jack it up, get it into place, and then just bolt it in. See how it is, see how it fits. I have my mask on, so that's why I'm breathing heavy. So this is where we are now with the jack. So now I'm just gonna screw everything back in with the new hardware. All the little retaining pieces, I'm gonna leave them. Let's see where we get. So I got the back two in these holes screwed in. Each side I'm gonna go for symmetry here. Okay. Now we just go around and button the rest of it up. Should be lined up pretty evenly now. It's lined up. Oop. Spoke too soon. See, the problem here is the old ones are longer. So some of these old ones work better in the front here. See? Alright, well, there it is, peeps. That is the Z-Speed aluminum engine under tray. Let's start the engine and see if there's any rattles. So yeah, that was the installation of the Z-Speed aluminum splash shield in a 2010 G37 XS sedan. Pretty simple, take your time, pretty much a piece of cake. I didn't end up using these because there were already threads inside the frame where these would have gone, so worked out perfect for me. Thanks guys.